everyone, Sue here from One Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm going to show you the location and how to replace the cabin air filter. If you need any parts of your car, click on the link below and head on over to oneauto.com. Over here on the left side kick panel, it has one plastic body screw. I take a little pocket screwdriver, pull that center plastic piece out, and then you're just going to grab it and pull this piece out. Now that that panel is out of the way, we're going to have a connector right here that has to be disconnected from this blue sensor. Put that harness aside, and down here you can see 3 mounting screws. It's a T20, and then there's 2 more up further, up on the top. So you're going to have to use a socket style T20. You're going to get a screwdriver into the top too. So here I have this little neat little small ratchet, and it can go forward and reverse, and it comes with these bits, and there's your T20. I put it in, it fits right in the socket. It's a really nice little handy thing to have, especially for interior work, and you can get this right at the One Auto website. So let's bring it on up. Let's go up inside. We'll go ahead and take both of these completely out. So now all the mounting screws are out. I'm going to grab that cover and I'm going to pull it this way and then pull it down. So that's what the cover looks like. And I'm sure this might have never been done, so let's see what we get here. I'm going to have to fold the actual filter as it comes out. Yeah, I'm thinking that's never been done. That is pure mud. It's from the wet leaves and the other things that I pulled out of the actual vent area. That's been sitting down there for a while. So now you can see the arrows, and it says the direction of the airflow. This car actually has an arrow on the side of the box telling you which way the airflow goes. And it says towards the compartment area. So we're going to put that in right like this. You might have to do a little manipulation to get it up in there, and don't worry about it, it's paper, it'll bounce back. You grab your cover, place that back up in. Now we can line up some of the mounting screws. We'll put the 3 easiest ones, line them up in. Just going to snug these a little bit before I put the top other 2 in. I don't want this cover to move. Switch the ratchet over. Now I'll squeeze back up in there. So now you're going to line up your 4 tabs with that ear. And go up underneath that body trim panel like that. And in the front, bring that right up. Get your body trim. Put her in. That's it.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.